Hey everyone, and welcome back to Kitty's Kitchen Delights. For today's recipe, I'm going to show you how I make my carrot cake with whipped cream cheese frosting. This recipe is perfect for a homemade carrot cake and it tastes so good. It's super moist and it's topped with the light and fluffy whipped cream cheese frosting. You guys are going to love this. Let me show you how to make it. Start by preheating the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And by using melted butter, butter 2 9-inch cake pans. I usually line the bottom of the pan with parchment paper, but since I was out of it, I didn't use it this time. I just buttered the pan a little bit more instead. Set the buttered pan aside. And in a mixing bowl, sift flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Once the sifting is done, set this aside. In another large mixing bowl, add 4 eggs that are room temperature, and by using a hand mixer, beat on medium speed. Slowly add in the brown sugar and granulated sugar, and beat this for about 2 minutes or till the mixture gets lighter in color. Add in the vanilla extract and slowly add the oil, and beat this till it's well combined. Add half of the flour mixture and beat till just combined, and then add in the other half and beat till well combined. Make sure not to overmix the batter. Here I'm using pecans that I roasted in the oven earlier. Add in a teaspoon of flour to the pecans to prevent it from falling into the bottom of the cake when baking. You can use any nuts you like or leave it out completely. Then add in grated carrots, and by using a spatula, fold in the pecans and the grated carrots into the batter till it's well incorporated. Evenly divide the cake batter into both cake pans. I like to add the batter into a Pyrex cup to evenly add the batter into the cake pans. Bake this in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Insert a toothpick into the cake, and if it comes out clean, the cake is ready. Let the cake cool completely. Meanwhile, let's make the whipped cream cheese frosting. In a bowl of a stand mixer, add softened cream cheese and beat on medium speed. When the cream cheese is smooth, slowly add in the heavy cream and vanilla and beat till fluffy. Turn the speed to low and slowly add in the powdered sugar. Make sure to scrape down the bowl as needed. Beat the frosting till light and fluffy. Now it's time to frost and layer the cakes. Take the cake out of the pan and even out the top of the cake so that the cake layers will be even. I'm using a cake leveler, but if you don't have this, feel free to use a knife. Now to frost the cake, put a little bit of frosting on a cake turnable and add one layer of the cake flat side up. Add frosting to the cake and smooth it out. Top this with the second layer the same way. Evenly frost the top and the sides of the cake. To add a swirl on top of the cake, place the tip of the spatula at the end of the cake. Move the spatula inward till you get to the center. Now to decorate the cake, I am using a Wilton star tip. Pipe the frosting onto the cake. I like to add pecans on the top of the cake as well. This cake is so delicious. Each layer is moist. The pecans, the carrots, and everything combined together makes this cake taste so good. If you enjoyed watching this recipe video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You can also find all of my links down below, and I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.